Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add the pin code to your Netflix profile. To do this, it's so easy. You have just to go to your Netflix account, open the app. After that, click on My Profile. After that, click on your name and click on Manage Profiles. Click on the pen on your profile avatar or icon and click on Profile Lock. Click Create a Profile Lock. Enter your Netflix account password here. And after that, put your digital pin, and like that, now your profile is locked. And if someone try to access it, he needs to use the pin code before. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.